Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of November. And we're going to be talking about the new infrastructure bill that just got, pushed by our president, and also the huge tax that we're going to be getting slapped by in the crypto market space. So if you're invested into crypto, you definitely want to stick around for this video to find out how you will be taxed in the future just for trading your cryptocurrencies. So guys, as you guys can see right here, in the past 24 hours, the market is currently down about 5.78%. We're seeing a flash crash type situation going on here. Huge pullback after this news came out, in the previous 24 hours. Here are top gainers in the past 24 hours going to be Power Ledger, which is up about 85% or so, trading at 68 cents. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin here at 34.1 billion, Ethereum at 19.1 billion. So Bitcoin is down 5.5%, Ethereum's down 6.5%. Bitcoin at 61,810, Ethereum around this 4,400 area. We see a lot more pullbacks here, a lot more red in the rest of the altcoins as well. Binance down 4.5%, Solana down 3.5%, Cardano 4%, Ripple 5%, Polkadot over 9%. Dogecoin still trading in the mid-20s, down 4% or so. Most of these altcoins are down between 5 and 10% looking at everything, with some outliers like Tron, which is actually green about 2% here. So there's obviously always some outliers, guys, in the market. As you guys can see here by our crypto bubbles in the past week, we still have some green players here, some big green players actually here. KP3R, which is up about 262% still. ENS, which Ethereum name service is up about still 90% or so. So we still see some big gainers here even with this pullback, but we also see a lot of red now out of nowhere because of this flash crash type situation that we're seeing in the market. So guys, before we get into this countdown, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know what do you think is going to happen in the crypto market space and how this tax is going to affect the crypto market space as well. So let's get into our first cryptocurrency on this list. The first one on this list is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So Link right here, huge pullback here in the past 24 hours. We were trading at highs of $34. Now we're trading at $30.37 just in the past, 24 hours. We're down about 10.3%, like we said, with lows down here of $29 at one point. In the past week, we're down almost 12%. Past month, we're up 12%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're still up about 140% on Chainlink. So this coin was trading at $13 in the last November. Hit highs here in February, continued to hit higher highs here at $53 or so in May. Pulled back down with the rest of the market to about $13 in July. And then we've seen this uptrend of over 100% in the past few months. So it's continued to go higher and higher recently. And now we're seeing this, pullback right now in the market. Current market cap is going to be 14.3 billion. Volume is here at 1.1 billion, which is 51% higher than usual, and that might be because we're seeing a lot of selling off, obviously, as fear starts to come in. Typical hold time is going to be 66 days. It is ranked the number 14 coin on the ranking list. 64% buy activity and 36% sell activity. So Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Now, how does all that work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's oracles. There are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide price data across a wide range of assets, weather data, and location data. Link is the token used to pay for services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. Something to keep in mind is in order to become a node and start providing data to the Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So that is how Chainlink performs. And with this dip buying opportunity, it could be an opportunity as long as we find a support level at the bottom for a dip buying opportunity for the future. So Chainlink is going to be our first altcoin. And now before we get into these other altcoins, guys, let's take a look at that infrastructure bill and what is going on here with cryptocurrencies. So let's take a quick look right here. So as we can tell right here, in addition to the reporting requirements, a second provision in the bill could have an even bigger impact on the emerging crypto industry, even making the receipt of some digital assets like NFTs felony if not reported correctly. So it could be cracked down, guys. The law states that any person engaged in a trade or business transaction who receives more than $10,000 in cash must report personal information about the sender, such as the name and address, to the IRS once the president signs the infrastructure bill, the law would apply to digital asset transaction violations, result in mandatory fines and possibly up to 5 years in prison. So this is going to be a big deal. They always try to sneak things into these bills like this, and that's exactly what they're doing right now. They're always trying to get you guys with these taxes. We're going to be seeing a lot of transactions of 9,999 in the near future because of this. Anything over 10K must be reported. So don't be surprised if you see a lot of 9999 transactions in the near future. How is this going to affect the market space? Well, we're already seeing some of this as the crypto market space continues to take a dive here in the past 24 hours. You guys let me know in the comments below what your opinion of this bill is. Obviously, I think that taxing the crypto is not too big of a deal, but we would like to stay away from the government. We're trying to stay decentralized, stay away from everybody. So this is kind of like invading our privacy right here. But it's understandable. Of course, we have to, pay taxes on the income that we're making. So you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think? We're kind of, lopsided on both sides depending on how you're looking at it. So guys, let's get into the second altcoin now. It's going to be Algorand, also known as Algo. Here it's down about 8.5% from highs of almost $2, hitting lows down here at 170 at one point. Now it's at 177. In the past week, we're down 13%. Past month, 2%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 553%. So last November, we were trading at 25 cents. We hit highs here in February at 172. Could not break through that resistance here for a while. Pulled back down actually to lows of 70 cents. And then finally, we skyrocketed up to highs of 255, breaking through that previous resistance that was built in February. So it took a while. It took about almost 9 or 10 months to break through, but we finally did it. And that's something that we always look forward to and talk about is if you get stuck in a coin and you believe in it for the long term, just keep on hodling, because in the long term it will come back up. And that's exactly what happened here for any investors that bought the peak in February. If you were patient, you could have sold out here at the top and made some profit still. So market cap currently at 11.1 billion. Volume is at 601 million, 29% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 48 days. It is ranked the number 17 coin on the list. 76% buy activity and 24% sell activity. Now, Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. Now, how does all this work? Algorand nodes reach consensus about what should appear in the blockchain through a process called PPOS, which uses a staking system to verify new transactions and produce new crypto tokens. Algorand network participants are able to stake some of their algo in exchange for the chance to be randomly selected to propose a new block of verified transaction. The winner is awarded, obviously, some more algo coins. So something to keep in mind is PPOS systems like Algorands are more efficient in the proof of work blockchains like Bitcoin in terms of electricity consumption, because they don't rely on thousands of miners spending energy to solve cryptographic puzzles for the chance to win a block reward and earn transaction fees. So obviously, guys, another one here that we're going to be looking for a dip buying opportunity in the near future if it continues to go down lower in the next couple of days. So definitely add this one to your watch list. Let's see what happens with Algorand. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Polkadot, DOT. You guessed it, guys. We've been talking about this one recently a lot, and we have to talk about it because it's taking such a dive here from highs of $47 to lows of down here $41. That's a big move on down, 9% lower. In the past week, we're down 20% from highs of $53. In the past month, 1.5%. Past year, obviously, we're up over 800% or so from $4 last year to highs here in May at 47. Pulled back down to lows of $10 and then skyrocketed on up to about 50. Currently, we're at 42, so about a 300 to 400% gain depending on when you got in and when you got out of Polkadot. But right now, we're taking a little bit of a breather. Hopefully, we see a support level around this level. Previous resistance levels become new support levels, so hopefully this $40 level is going to be a support. Unless the whole market continues to crash on lower, then obviously we're going to go lower. It doesn't matter where the support is on this one. 42.3 billion market cap currently, 1.6 billion here in volume, 60% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 21 days. It is ranked the number 6 coin, 73% buy and 27% sell activity. Now, Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfer of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking, to secure the network, or to connect new chains. Now, Obviously, Polkadot uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism to secure the network, verify transactions, and create and distribute new DOT. There are several ways DOT holders can interact with the staking system, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote. By staking and participating in the network, you may be able to receive DOT rewards. So, obviously, staking is another thing that a lot of people are getting into, where you can lock in your coins. If you're a long-term holder, staking is a great opportunity to get some more passive income. Obviously, if you're not planning on selling, no matter what happens in the market. So, Polkadot right there, guys, is going to be our third coin. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market. Like we said, Solana here taking a pullback a little bit at 230, only down about 3.5%, so not as bad. Dogecoin at 25 cents, down about 4% or so. Shiba taking a little bit of a pullback there as well, about a 2.5% pullback. But here in the past week or so, Doge has been down from highs of almost 30 cents to lows down here, so we are a little bit lower. But Doge still trading in the mid 20s. We've literally been here for months now. Then we have Bitcoin, which did take a huge dive from 66,000 all the way to lows down here of about 61,000 at one point. In the past week, we're down 8.5% from highs of over 69,000, guys. In the past month, flat, literally flat in the past month. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 269%. $1.2 trillion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. Here, the volume is at 30.6 billion, 21% higher than usual, 69% buy and 31% sell activity on Bitcoin. We're going to be waiting for a support. Hopefully, this is going to be a support level around the 60,000 area, but if we continue to see this type of crash, it could go lower very fast. Ethereum taking a huge dive from highs of almost $4,800 here, almost at all-time highs, hitting lows down here of about what, 4,200. That's a big dive down there of about $600 or so. In the past week, we're down 9% or so from highs of 4,800. In the past month, we're up 13%. Past year, 849%. Obviously, Ethereum continues to roar. 519.7 billion market cap right now, 7% of the crypto market space, 19.1 billion here in volume, 43% higher than usual, 72% buy and 28% sell activity on Ethereum. So guys, what do you guys think is going to happen here with Bitcoin and Ethereum as we continue to go lower and lower in this flash crash type situation because of this infrastructure bill that is being passed currently? How is this going to affect the crypto market space? You guys let me know your opinions. Let's talk about it. I'll reply to your comments, guys. Smash that like button for me if you want to see more content like this. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, guys. I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.